TikTok SEO and keywords are a very real thing right now. And in case you did not know, TikTok partnered with Google. And so it's so important more than ever right now that if you're going to be using TikTok for your business, that you learn about SEO keywords, and that if you're not using it, that you start using it. Welcome to the Kia Kelly podcast, because that's me. Every single week, we will be here talking about business, marketing your business, as well as life and anything that can throw at us. Because one thing I know is that when I've been building my business, I am involved in my business. And so I like to help people understand what it all is going to take to build a successful business and have a balanced life. And so here on the podcast, some of the days you're going to absolutely love me. And then other days, you're going to want to throw me away with the trash because you don't want to be bothered with me. But either way, you're going to get your whole life together when you're here on this podcast. So I encourage you to grab your tea and grab your coffee because the Kia Kelly podcast is here. So welcome back to another episode of the Kia Kelly podcast, where we talk about all things business, marketing your business, and having a balanced life. If you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we have new videos that come out every single week, and I'm always making sure you have what you need to build your business and make money online. If you're listening to the podcast, thank you so much for listening to me. You guys have been with me for forever, and I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure you write a review. So let's get into today's conversation as we talk about TikTok SEO and keywords and things of that nature. Now, one of the things to note is that if you are someone and you are listening to this and you are still not marketing your business on the TikTok platform, you should be. Even though right now TikTok has the issue with music and all the type of stuff, listen, you should still be marketing your business there. Why? Let's talk about you and marketing online on social media. So one of the reasons why we use social media is because millions and millions of people log on to social media every single day for their own reasons, okay? And then we, as business owners and marketers, we develop strategies for reaching our audience on the platform. So they're not there for us. They're there for their own reason, their entertainment, and things of that nature. And so we learn how to be the commercial to our audience's entertainment. So they go there to be entertained, and then we create strategies to reach them in creative ways to get them to buy our products and services, okay? So when it comes to TikTok, it's the exact same thing. The challenge that most businesses and marketers have is that they still kind of see TikTok as this goofy platform where everybody's dancing and all that type of stuff, but they really don't realize that it's very similar to Facebook, Instagram, and all of them. The thing is that TikTok is just the new kid on the block where people don't understand that you can make a lot of money on that platform. Like, it really reminds me of when Facebook first came out many years ago. We never would have thought we would be paying for ads on Facebook, but here we are, right? And a lot of people really depend on Facebook. So as it pertains to TikTok, you need to be marketing your business there. But today's topic is not that. It's more on the SEO and keywords. So one thing that has been changing on TikTok is that TikTok has really become a search engine. Yes, you are there to be entertained and all that, but people are coming to TikTok to learn things, to find out things, okay? And so, like, for me, I'm 43. Well, I'll be 43 in June. And while I use YouTube, I use Google, one of the things that I have been seeing myself do over time that I never thought I would do is going to TikTok first to find a thing, to see a thing, to get recommendations for a thing. I used to always focus 100% on YouTube reviews, but now I have been doing my searches on TikTok because in my brain, I am thinking that how can I learn about this product or service the quickest and not a super long YouTube video? That's an immediate thought that I have. So I go to TikTok, and this happens to millions of people. They go to TikTok and they click on the search, and then we begin to type in certain keywords. So I just recently had surgery that's affecting my hormones, perimenopause, menopause, and all that. And so because I am trying to learn about my new body, what my body needs versus what it needed before I had surgery and when I was 30, I'm researching things. And so one of the things that I searched was how to care for my skin after in perimenopause, how to care for my skin after at 40 years old or whatever, right? And I started watching all this content of creators who have used SEO keywords in their content so that I can find them, okay? So what does that mean to you? What that means is, let's just say that you sell jeans, okay? Well, you need to be creating content around jeans, but you have to be thinking about, what is my audience actually searching? Okay, so I am short and curvy. If I am looking for jeans, I would probably type in the keywords short jeans for short people, jeans for short curvy women, or jeans for curvy black women, because curvy and curvy black women are like two totally different things. Okay, and so if you're using those keywords in your TikTok videos, when someone like me comes along and does a search, your video is going to come up. So like, I have the #1 video on TikTok right now about how to go live on TikTok. Why? Because of my SEO keywords did that. Okay, so how do you do this? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that when you're creating this content, that the text on screen is a part of the keywords that your audience is searching for. So you may say to yourself, well, how do I find out what the keyword search terms are? I got you. What you want to do is you want to go to TikTok and you want to go to the search bar. It's usually on the For You page in the upper right-hand corner, okay? You click on that and then you start searching different keywords in what you do. So what I would do is, for me and my business, I would type make money online. I would start typing those keywords. Now, what's going to happen is the drop down box is going to show me, here's all the other things that people have searched or are searching around making money online. Those are SEO keywords. Then when I hit search, I'm going to see a bunch of videos come up of different creators. I can then see, what are the titles of their videos? What are some of the captions, keywords, and hashtags that they use? But more importantly, if you scroll down just a bit, you're going to see where it says other keywords or other searches. Those are also SEO keywords that you want to be using. If you want to use YouTube, you can go to YouTube and type in make money online. And before you hit search, you're going to see a drop down box of SEO keywords. The same thing goes for Google, Instagram, and all of them. So it's really important, like as a business, that we are thinking about making sure our content is searchable, okay? Not just these random things, but searchable content. So you want to have the SEO keywords on screen, how to make money online. In your description, you want to have your description, how to make money online. And then I use some hashtags, hashtag how to make money online, hashtag money online, hashtag content creator, hashtag things like that. And then outside of the hashtags, I then just write all the keywords. So all the keywords that I saw in that search for TikTok, that search on YouTube, and that search on Google, I add those SEO keywords in my description for TikTok. Now you may say, well, that's a lot, but here's the deal. One of the things that I love about TikTok is I can post a video today, and in 3 months, 3 years, it's going to come back up. Okay. Like I have content right now. I'm watching my notifications that I posted a year ago. Like right now I have a video that is still going viral that I posted in July of 2023. And then September, it started to go viral. And right now we're in February, and it is still the hottest video on my account right now. Why? The SEO keywords are everything, and people want to learn how to go live on the TikTok platform. So if your goal this year is to grow on TikTok, it is really, really important that you are utilizing SEO keywords in your content. Now, if you're somebody, you're saying to yourself, I am brand new getting started on TikTok. Well, I have a couple ways that we can help. We have a free tool called TikTok for Female Coaches. I will put that in the description. It's a great PDF and a video training, absolutely free for you. Otherwise, we have an amazing TikTok course for business owners, which normally is $597, but I'll give you a coupon code in the description and you can get $300 off. And this course is going to teach you everything. I mean, everything. It is so robust. It talks about getting started with a marketing funnel, all the features of TikTok. You can see me on my screen teaching you how to use every single button on TikTok. I teach you how to sell your products and services, and I teach you how to get brand deals. All of that is on the inside of that course. And so both of them I'll put in the description in case you're interested. But that is it for us today. So thank you so much for listening and watching. Thanks for listening to the Kia Kelly podcast. I'm always honored and thankful each time you choose to download and listen to an episode of this podcast, but also when you choose to share it with a friend. Because one of the things that I know is that when I was building my business, it was so important for me to be surrounded by like-minded people. And so when you choose to share our content with your friends, it allows them to be in our space as well, where we can nurture and mentor them as well. And we can just make some new friends. So if you wouldn't mind sharing, I would appreciate it so very much. But in addition to that, if you would do us a huge favor by writing a review and giving us 5 stars, it's going to tell Spotify, iTunes, and all the places that people are enjoying this podcast and that they should share it with more people. And so please share, please write a review, and thank you so much for listening.